Hey, I'm Jesse. You're wondering creative ways to make money on the side in 2019. You can do a lot of different businesses. There's a lot of ways to do stuff out there. You can search and comb through everything on YouTube to try to find what you want to do. Or you can use the link in the bio and it will send you to Ty Lopez's website with a little video on how he makes money online with e-commerce. It teaches you how to set up an e-commerce store, whether you're doing Shopify, Amazon, or what other form or platform that you want to do. It teaches you how to do research to find out what you're going to market. It teaches you how to choose the different types of store, whether it's Amazon if you're going to buy some product and try to have it there, if you're going to store it at Amazon, if you want to do a Shopify, it goes over in depth how to do everything for you. So you just need to put the time in, go through the course material, decide what you want to do, and be able to run your own store. There's millions of people out there that try to do it every day, from watching YouTube tutorials and stuff like that don't get anywhere. Or you can go from someone that has made money in there, that has people that teaches the course that are not only just himself, but let alone people that make millions of dollars a year selling things online. And then he also has extra course content in there to benefit you. Teaches you about, social media, how to use it for your Amazon store or for your Shopify or whichever platform you want to do. And it teaches you how to leverage it to make money from unpaid advertisement and paid. So most people, the different things that they teach you on YouTube is very little. The amount of content that's actually in his course, it's well worth it. So go back into the description, copy my link, watch the video, decide if it's something for you, but you'll be happy that you did.